Hello, I am Nahida. Welcome to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making a soft, flavorful and super easy Atta Nashta. Perfect for a light meal or evening snack. Let's get started. First, in a bowl, take 1 cup of whole wheat flour or atta, or you can use maida. Add half teaspoon salt and some oil. Mix everything well with your fingers until the flour becomes crumbly. Now gradually add 1/3 cup water and knead into a soft dough. Did you know whole wheat flour or atta is packed with fiber, making this dish a healthy alternative to refined flour snacks? Hit the subscribe button for more delicious and easy recipes. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes so the dough becomes smooth and elastic. After resting, take some dough and roll it out evenly. Tag a friend who loves easy homemade snacks. Use a round cutter or glass to cut small circles. You can also shape them as you like. Resting the dough make it softer and easier to shape. Now bring some water to a boil and add the atta pieces. Boiling instead of frying keeps this dish light and easy to digest. Let them boil for 5 minutes until they become soft and slightly puffy. Don't overboil the atta pieces. 5 minutes is enough to keep them soft and chewy. Strain the water and keep them aside. These will have a soft, chewy texture. Now in a pan, heat some oil and add some chopped onion. Add some green chili and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Then saute until fragrant. Now add some chopped tomato and 2 Tbsp water, then cook until soft. Time to add spices. Add some salt, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon coriander powder. You can add veggies, paneer or cheese to make this dish even more interesting. Pour 1/4 cup of water and mix well to make a light flavorful gravy. Now add some green peas and let them cook for a minute. Now add the boiled atta pieces into the masala and gently mix. For extra flavor, add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and mix everything well. Want a richer flavor? Add a splash of coconut milk while cooking. For a tangy twist, squeeze some fresh lemon juice before serving. Finally, sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves for a beautiful touch. Your soft, healthy and delicious Atta Nashta is ready. Serve warm and enjoy. This Atta Nashta is light, healthy and super easy to digest. Perfect for breakfast or evening snacks. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more exciting recipes. Happy cooking!